In this video, we're going to show you the Pride Baja Bandit. It's the newest release scooter by Pride Mobility. This unit is a fantastic unit that's going to be portable, fast, powerful, and have lithium batteries, so you're going to get a long range. So this is how it's going to come. You're going to see on a pallet like this. Your seat is going to be in the box on top. If you see anything different in shipping, let us know, but this is how it should be coming standard to you. So you will need either a box cutter, a knife, or a pair of scissors. And first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut the straps. This is going to be your seat. Do remember, when you do go in here, be careful if you are using a box cutter. It is not Pride's liability if you do cut the seat when you're unboxing it. So do be careful when you do this. This unit is going to come in two different seats. This is going to be the standard seat that's going to be here. This is going to be the standard 18-inch seat, and then they do make one other size seat. This is going to have a slider on it as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this seat, and I'm going to set it off to the side, and then get rid of this box. With that seat, on some other seats, armrests and other things are not assembled on the unit. This particular seat, the armrests are already going to be on the unit. The next step you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut this box open. Like I said, this is the first time. We just got this in. It just released. So we're going to see kind of how this looks inside the box. I'm going to go ahead and cut the box all the way open. Once again, if you are using a box cutter, be careful. The scooter is not that far below underneath the cardboard. Off on this side, there's a separate box. I'm going to open this up. I'm assuming in the secondary box over here, which is it is, this is looking like this is going to be your front basket over here. Your basket, your charger, and your manual is all going to be in this smaller box. Below this box, you are going to see your battery pack. All right, so from here what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get our battery pack out. Now this one, I believe, has the single battery. You can get this with a dual battery, which is going to get you a lot farther distance. There is a nice handle here on top. Set that off to the side. Now you're going to have a few supporting brackets in there to help this box from not collapsing. I'm going to pull these out. I'm going to set these off to the side. Easiest thing that's probably going to do from here, this is your box that had your battery and your front basket in it. So now your scooter is sitting in this kind of corrugated foam molding. Looks like you'll be able to pivot it, lift the front end up, pull that out, lift the back end out, pull that out. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to cut the four corners and flatten this box down. Okay, now you see we have all four sides of it down, of the box. So now you can really see what this looks like. Like I said, it does sit in this almost egg crate looking shape in the front. The front half, this unit does break apart. So, you know, I don't know. If I had to guess what weight you have to lift here to be able to pull this off, I'm going to guess this is probably about 60 pounds you got to be able to pull up on and slide this to the side. And you go ahead and do the same with the back of the unit. You'll lift the back up and pull off your corrugated box. And then now you are left with the unit. So from here, the unit can be put in neutral. It's going to be easiest to right now. I think it is in the locked position. Let's go ahead and put this in freewheel. And if you pull the tiller up, which I will show you in another video, you pull this tiller up, there's actually a handle on the side over here that you can press down, and the tiller will go up. So I think easiest it's going to be is to then be able to drive it off the pallet. They do ship this with the front wheel in the locked position. So you do have this lever up here up front. If you're familiar with the Revo or other scooters they design, you have to push that in and turn that, and then it will unclick, and then you will see how your wheels will be able to pivot. So that is a locking mechanism here in the front. You will have to unlock that to get your wheels to turn. From here, you can probably, like I said, turn the scooter, put it in freewheel, and then go ahead and drive it off the pallet. So now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean up this, make it look pretty, and then we'll be back and we'll show you how to put everything together. All right, so here's what you're going to have when you unbox everything. You're going to have your seat, like I said, two different styles, depending on which one you're going to get. You're going to have your owner's manual with your charger and your front basket and your battery pack and then your unit. Now this unit does break apart. For this video demonstration, we're going to show you that in our other video, but for this, I'm not going to break it apart right now. So what you would do from here is you're going to go ahead and start putting the rest of the pieces together. So you're going to take your battery pack, you're going to lift it up. This is the single battery pack. You can get a dual battery pack for a lot farther range, but I can tell you on this unit, that is the single battery. Just based on the weight, you can feel how more weight is off to one side. So you're going to go ahead and drop that on. Really cool thing that they did with this, you actually have suspension in the seat post. They actually send you a two different springs too. So this has up to a 400-pound weight capacity. If you're under 180, 190 pounds, you can take a bolt out, which we'll show in another video, and actually remove the lightweight spring or the heavy-duty spring that's in there. And in your manual, you are going to have, or in the box, you are going to have the lightweight spring. So that is in here as well. The lightweight spring, you can change that out. Now if you're heavy, you don't want to change the spring because you don't want to feel like you're bottoming out. But that is going to be a really cool feature that they have on this unit. So next step you'll do, take your front basket, you're going to go ahead and just slide that on. Then you're going to take your seat. Now some seats you have to hold the swivel handle on them to drop them on. So we're going to try this without holding the swivel handle, and we're going to see if it drops right on or not. So basically from here you want to line up your post, and you're going to drop it on. You know it's locked in place if the seat does not swivel. So you can see how you grab this handle and it begins to swivel. Typically locks about every 45 degrees. But this is the standard seat that comes with it. There is a different size seat as well, which we'll show in future videos, but this is the standard seat. So now from here, you do want to make sure you are going to have power to the unit. So you do have a key. Two keys actually. You're going to go ahead and put the key in, and you're going to want to turn it on. Because on your battery pack, which we will show in a video overlay, there is actually an on and off switch. So you can see the lights are on the unit right now. If I was to turn that switch off, you see how it killed all the power to the unit. So just to let you know, if you do get this, the off is when the circle is pushed down. You have a circle and a line. So just to let you know, the circle pushed down means off. The line pushed down means you're on. So you will see how that you have to have the line pushed down. What I found out from Pride is the battery pack is really when you're traveling, you want to kill all power to the battery pack. You want to turn it off, which has the circle pushed down. But in that position, it will not obviously operate the unit, but it will also not accept a charge. So you do want to make sure you do have that switch back on when you go to charge the unit, because otherwise it will not accept a charge. So this is pretty much the unboxing and assembly of the Pride Baja Bandit, a fantastic unit. And then stay tuned, we're going to show you many more videos of how to do everything else on this product.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.